Cloudray's yours and mine.
Hi, Andy from Great Lakes Technical Services here. Today we're doing a black engrave on a gold stainless steel tag, just 12mm in diameter, on a Cloudray 30-watt laser fitted with a 110mm lens. The settings used are shown in the video. This tag is an ideal size for a bracelet charm or earrings. I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching.
Precision cut so clean, every mark unseen. Cloudray beam so bright, engraving through the night. Details clear and sharp, perfect from the start. Customized with ease, Cloudray meets your needs. Laser light so fine, makes your design shine. Precision every time. Cloudray's yours and mine. Cloudray's yours and mine.